Alright, so man, YouTube, we in the car right now. We finna get ready to leave. I ain't gonna cap, I ain't even finna do no talking. We just gonna cut up all the way to the gas station. I ain't gonna really like, you know, like just cut up, but we gonna be I'm gonna be really like just hitting the gas and like just really pushing the car for real. I ain't gonna be able to do nothing right here though. So right here we probably do get a little conversation in. But I think one of these, probably, if not next month, bro, I probably try and like finish this month out with like posting a video like every single day. Like I really want to try and do it, but I know that junk it's kind of hard, cause it's like sometimes I be wanting to post a video, but I don't be having time to, you know, go make a little video. Yeah, like I was saying, bro, I might try and post a video like every single day. Alright, we ain't gonna talk, but we just gonna go. Forget what I was saying, I'll talk about that another time. My junk won't catch traction for nothing. And I ain't trying to slide here, well. That's why I keep letting up out the gas. Crazy right now. Look like we just almost tow that code, low key. I'm so glad I got the camera fixed, bro. Like it's showing so clear now. But yeah, bro, like I was saying, bro, I'ma probably one of these days, bro, I probably just start like trying to post a video every single day. I'm gonna have to try and find like what I'm gonna make videos on though. I know I got one video I want to drop for you guys to do a comparison between the SCATPACK and the RT, bro, so I can show you guys, you know, like the little differences in them, bro, and show you guys, for the people out here that's trying to decide on which one you want, bro, just have a little comparison video so you can see which one fits you best, bro. That's the video. I'm really trying to get that out quick. But I gotta, whenever I'm free, I gotta try and make the video. So right now I'm just gonna like make like little videos like this until I can actually get that video published. Cause that'll be a good video for y'all, man. Get some gas right quick. We looking bad right now. low-key could have just went crazy turning in the gas station. Dang, that would have been crazy. Alright, so we back in the vehicle right now, bro. I'm finna head to the bank. I'm just gonna cut up, like, going to the bank. You know, basically, what I was just doing, they trying to get me copyrighted, bro. But, yeah, bro. Like I was just saying, bro, we're just gonna be going through mashing the gas. You know what I'm saying? Letting you guys hit a car. We don't really do too much, man. One of these days, I'm gonna go crazy, though. I gotta get some new tires already, though. I just recently bought some, but my junk already messing up in the back. That's why when I try and mash the gas, I can't really get no grip. And then when I'm mashing it and it finally do grip, it be like the car be going like side to side a little bit, bro. Like I feel it in, like I feel the back. Like the front going straight, but the back is like wiggling a little bit, bro. So I gotta get some new tires. I probably ain't got no tread back there, so it's gonna be time. But for some reason, bro, so many sport cars out tonight, bro. I just seen like so many Scats, RTs, Camaros, all that, bro. They just mashing the gas and all that junk. Here go a few V6s, but it's like everybody on a cutting up mood tonight. These folks finna miss up the video right here. They playing, they don't wanna go. We gonna roll the window down a little bit too, though, so you guys can hear. I don't think the wind gonna be bad. I ain't gonna count. They need to come on. I probably should have went the other way. I was finna say, by the time we go, it's gonna be traffic coming, bro. Golly. Just like I said, by the time I go, it's gonna be traffic. Look, scat right there. Come on now, you gotta go and get in your lane. She turned over that listening to 50 Cent. I need to get my car detailed so bad. Let me see if my custom setup will be better. Cause I got my traction on my custom setup. I got my traction on street, so that probably will be a little better than just having it off. They're doing the same thing. It ain't no better. There's so much traffic out the night, bro. It's a Thursday. Why it's so busy like that? Well, it ain't nothing but 6 o'clock, bro. The time got it feeling so late. I just realized that it ain't nothing but 6. So that means when I said, when I was doing the when I was doing the intro, I thought it was like 6 o'clock going on 7. So really it was probably like 5:30 going on 6, really. Cause it ain't nothing but 6 o'clock right here. It feels so late though, but is what it is. That's why it's so packed out here. Look, the mailman's still running, y'all. And I don't know about nobody else, but I like my steering on sport because track, it tighten up the wheel a little bit. Man, look at all that traffic, bro. Like, ain't no way. It don't normally be this much traffic. I ain't gonna even lie. But that's too much traffic. I swear it don't normally be this much traffic. This ain't even a busy city like that, for real, for real. Something happened on the interstate. What they doing? I don't know what they doing. And it's crazy because I gotta come back that way. So I gotta go through all that traffic. Like, that's gonna be crazy. I'm pulling up to the bank right now. Alright, so man, I done made it to the bank, bro. Like I told y'all, bro, I was just gonna drive going to the gas station and drive going to the bank. Wasn't really no super long video, bro. Just a little quick vid to get out, bro, to show you guys that I'm trying to come back with the content. Cause I ain't dropped a video in a minute. But y'all comment down below, bro, and let me know like what videos y'all want to see, bro. And I appreciate everybody for the support. You know what I'm saying? Like all the subscribers, the viewers, and all that stuff that's going on.